Our A+ award winners this week also showed kindness in their community. The students at Firelands Elementary School in Amherst all came together as a community to honor a former student, Kevin C., who tragically lost his battle with cancer. The teachers and students at Firelands Elementary told us that Kevin was always looking for ways to spread kindness throughout the community, and the students found that spirit to be a great motivation to make their community a community built on kindness. To honor Kevin, the students began collecting boxes of cereal to donate to a local children's shelter and families of need in their community. Natalie told us it was a great way to remember and celebrate Kevin. Eleanor told us that over the course of 2 weeks, the students collected more than 1,600 boxes of cereal, and that each box represented a domino of kindness. Just picture a row of dominoes and how they knock each other down. It's like when one kind act leads to another. The students realized that with more than 1,600 boxes of cereal, they could circle their entire school twice. In order to make sure the boxes would all fall down, the students had to do some planning. Weston told us that it was a really fun engineering project. Leland explained that the first step was counting all of the tiles. Greg told us that was important because they needed to figure out how many boxes they had compared to the tiles on the floor. Hunter told us that after they figured out the ratio of tiles to boxes, they had to start testing their plan to make sure the boxes could fall on the ramps and around the turns throughout the building. These Falcons told us that they learned a lot about the needs of their community and how they can make a difference. They wanted us to tell you that every little kind act can make a big difference. Principal Chaw pointed out that no matter how young or old you are, you can still be kind. This week's A+ award goes to the students at Firelands Elementary for honoring the memory of Kevin and following in his footsteps by spreading kindness. Very inspiring.